Yeah, good morning children. How are you all? Hope you all are safe at home. Today we are going to learn about MSW logo. So logo is used to draw different shapes like square, rectangles, triangles. Those shapes we can draw using MSW logo commands. Okay. So last class we have learned about notepad. What is the use of notepad? To write information using keyboard. So using keyboard only we are typing letters, numbers, and special characters. Okay, there we learn how to write the information. Today we will learn how to draw different shapes using different commands in MSW logo. So what is our lesson name? Introduction to MSW logo. Okay, logo means logic oriented, graphic oriented. So logic oriented means commands. Using commands we will draw different shapes. Graphic oriented. Okay. So using commands we will draw different shapes. Commands we can draw different shapes. We will draw the shapes. Okay. Now we will see how to open that logo. So only to draw different shapes only we use this MSW logo commands. Okay. We have many commands, but in this lesson you will learn only 4 commands. The primitives, only primitives you will learn. Okay. So how to open MSW logo. If it is on your desktop, you can click and open it. Otherwise, every time where we have to start, we have to start at start button. Start button, and in this start button we have to open start menu. So in this start menu, whenever you are installing this application, you have to save it wherever, in which drive you want to save or where you are saving, from there you have to open. Okay, I have saved on the desktop, so I show you opening from desktop to and work with that. Or if you have a Windows 7 operating system, if you have saved there, so here you have to go to all programs. In this all programs, you have to open MSW logo document, and it will open the MSW logo. Document, and you have to open this MSW logo. Okay, if you have saved on the desktop directly, you can open it. If it is saved on the desktop, you have to open MSW logo. Some arrow box symbol will be there, like that. You can open it. So you can directly open. Some message box will be displayed. You have a OK button. Just click on that OK button. The logo will be opened. So after opening, the separate window will be displayed for every application, isn't it? Separate window will be opened to work with that. MSW logo components. What are the components? We will learn now. So whenever you open, separate window will be opened. Okay. But in MSW logo, you have 2 windows. 2 windows. 2 windows will be open for you. So like this. So one is main screen. So this one is main screen. Main screen. So on this main screen we have the turtle. So this turtle only draw the output. In this it has 2 parts, head part and tail. Head and tail. Okay. So these are the minimize, maximize, close buttons. Minimize, maximize, close buttons. Okay. So here we have the file, bitmap, zoom, set, all these options we have. Set, bitmap. So these options we have, set to zoom, all these options we have on the menu bar. So this is the menu bar. Okay. So next, Here we have this commander window. In this commander window, we will give the commands in input box. Where we will give the commands? In input box. And here we have two buttons, execute and EDR. Execute and EDR here. And we have control buttons also. So 6 control buttons are there. Reset, trace, step, status, all those control buttons are there. Control buttons. Control buttons. Okay. So this is the recall list box here. So whenever you execute any command, that will be displayed in the recall list box. This is the input box. We will give commands here. Okay. This window also I will show you in the system and I will explain there also. Okay. No need to worry. How many parts, how many components are there? So here this is the title bar. Here we have the minimize, maximize, close buttons. And this is the menu bar. And first screen, this is called as main screen. And the another screen is called as commander window. So this is the commander window. Here we have the input box where we can give the commands. We have to write the commands here, not commands like that. We have different commands there. Those you can write here. Whatever the commands you execute, those will be displayed on the recall list box. And here we have different control buttons. And execute, EDR buttons also there. So these are the components of MSW logo. So how many parts in a turtle? 2 parts, head and tail. Now we will see what are the options in File tab. This is the File tab. What are the options we have in the File tab? That we will see now. So on the File tab, whenever you open, you will get new. Here no open here, load option, and here save option, and we have edit, erase, all those are there. But in your textbook you have only save. About save you have to learn. Whenever you click on the save, so save window will be opened, and here we have to give the file name, and the extension will be .lgo. For logo files, the extension will be .lgo. With .lgo only, the files will be saved. And you have to click on the save button. Okay, like this you have to save your file in the logo. Okay, what you have to do? Click on the file tab, and in that click on the save. So after clicking on this, here you will get the save window, and you have to give the file name. Select this extension, save. Okay, the extension is .lgo. Suppose you gave a name there, a.lgo. That is your logo document name. Okay, logo file name. So whenever you do something, you have to save it or not? You have to save it into your system. Same, when you draw any shape here, that also you have to save, or otherwise without saving also you can close. Okay, then your changes will not be in your computer. Suppose you draw some square or rectangle, that you have to save into your system. That's why I explained save there. So exit means directly close button is there. You can click on that close button. It will be closed. Okay, next. What are the commands? Commands in MSW logo. How many commands in this lesson? You have only 4 commands. You have to learn only 4 commands here. Those are called as primitives. Commands in MSW logo. So these are called as primitives. Primitives. The first one is FD, so forward. So forward command. Here we have to mention the units. How many units you want to draw, that we have to mention. Suppose if you are drawing with the scale, what you will do? Suppose you want 2 centimeters line. What you will do? You will measure with the scale and you will draw 2 centimeters. Isn't it? Like that, how many units we want, that units we have to mention here. So your line will be drawn like this with 100 units. So which will draw? The turtle will draw the output. Next is BK, back. There is no backward command, only back command is there. That also we have to mention with the units. Okay. So your line will be drawn in the backward direction. So next one is RT, right side or clockwise. Right or clockwise. Clockwise, you know how clock, you can see the clock, which side it rotates? Right side. So by mentioning the units, the unit you have to mention, so that turtle will be rotated by the mentioned degrees of angle. If you mention 90, it will be rotated right side to the 90 degrees of angle. Okay. So next one is left, LT. So left side. As you have back command, for this also we have the left command. Left means anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction. So this one. Anti-clockwise. Again we have to mention the units. To that number of degrees of angle, your turtle will be rotated to the left side. To rotate your turtle to left side, we have to use this LT command. So every time FD space unit, BK space units, RT space units, LT space units you have to mention. So what are the commands we have in our lesson? FD or forward. Forward also you can write. Second one BK or back. Third is RT or right also we can write. Fourth one is LT, left. Okay. So forward, in forward direction, your line will be drawn with the mentioned units. Backward means backward, line will be drawn with the mentioned units. RT, the turtle will be rotated to the mentioned degrees of angle to the right side. So LT, turtle will be rotated to the left side by the given degrees of angle. Whatever you mention in that direction, the turtle will be rotated. Okay, these are the 4 commands we have to learn in this lesson. Okay, next now we will see how to draw a square and a rectangle using these FD and RT commands. Okay, first to draw a square we will learn. Okay, to draw square. So output also I show you where the output is displayed in the main screen. Turtle will draw that output. And where we have to give the commands in input box. Okay. So to draw a square. First one FD 100. 100 units I am taking, or otherwise you can take 80. FD 80. So 80 forward. And next, which side we have to rotate? Right side. Right side 90. 90 is compulsory. This 90 you have to mention compulsory. And FD again 80. How a square looks like? All 4 sides are equal or not for a square? So we have to mention equal measurements, equal units for all FD commands here. Next 80. Again RT 90. It will be rotated to 90 degrees. Again FD 80. So what happens? Again here it will draw. Okay, 80. So after 80, next RT 90. Again we have to rotate it to right side. Again FD 80. Okay, this will draw like this. Your turtle will be here. Okay, so 80 units, 80 units, 80 units, 80 units. With all 80 units we have drawn a square. How many commands we have used here? FD and RT. Forward direction, right side. Again forward, right, like that. So 4 sides, 4 FDs we have used here. Okay, like this we can draw a square using MSW logo command. Okay, now we will see rectangle. Rectangle, how it looks like? 2 sides are equal, isn't it? One side these two sides are equal and these two sides are equal, isn't it? So to draw a rectangle with how much? Suppose here we will write 100. Okay, 100 units. Again right side. Two sides are different and two sides are equal, isn't it? So we will give here 120. Again write 90. Again we will write 100 here. 100. This one 100. 100 like this. Here we will write. We will take 150 so that we can see the difference, isn't it? This 100 and that one is 150. Again 150 like this. Here we are not using any 200s. These two sides are 100 and these two sides are 150. We are not using any BK, back command here. Why? Because we are rotating our turtle to the right side and drawing in the forward direction. Okay. So like this we can draw the rectangle using forward and right commands also. Okay. So that I show you all this in the system. Components, how to save it, how to draw rectangle and square, what are the components, all those I will explain you in the system. So that you can remember and remember better. Okay. So practice this, how to draw square and a rectangle. At least commands, writing commands and seeing the output. Okay children. Yeah, good morning children. Today we are going to learn about MSW logo. So this MSW logo is used to draw different shapes. Okay, like squares, rectangles, triangles, like those shapes we can draw. And we can use different commands to draw those. Okay, this is mainly command based language and use it to draw different shapes. So I have kept this on the desktop. Okay, I opened this one. So what are the components of MSW logo? Those we will learn now. So what is the use of logo? To draw different shapes. In paint we have different shapes now. But here we will draw the shapes. Okay. So we will draw different shapes using different commands. So here we have, this is called as main screen. This is the main screen here. And this one is turtle. So in the middle it is the turtle. The top part is called as head and the bottom part, this is called as tail. So whatever the commands you give, the turtle will draw the shapes for you. Next, this is the commander window. Here we will write the commands. Okay, this is called as input box. So in this input box we will write commands here. So I will move this. See here. Here we will write the commands. This is a logo screen and this is commander window. We can move these also. Okay. Here this is the input box. In this input box we will write different commands. What are those? I will teach you also. Okay. This is the execute button. After writing the command, here we will execute. Whatever you execute, those will be displayed on the commander window here. So that output is displayed in the main screen. Here the turtle will draw the shape for you. Okay. Next, this side we have the control buttons, halt, trace, pause, status, step, reset. So status, when you click on the status, so what are the shape, width, pen. Pen means that line width and its style. So everything, heading, till now we haven't selected anything now. So it is displaying 0, zeros, all zeros. Okay, screen color, red, green, blue, 255, 258, 255 is displayed there. Okay. So like this, what is the status about this main screen? It is displayed. And if you click no status, then it will be closed. And reset means it will, if you draw any shapes there, that time we can use this reset to clear this main screen and to bring the turtle into the home position, starting position. Okay. So that is the use of reset button. Okay, next execute, we can execute the command which is given in the input box. And ed all, so edit all. So this, whenever you write the procedures, that time we can use this ed all. Okay, this is about MSW logo components. So after that we have here file tab. Next, this is the file tab. Here in this we have 4 options. First one is new. Okay. And second is load. If you write any procedure, that time you can load it. Save. So save command is used to save your logo file. See here, whenever we click save option, so this window will be, save window will be displayed here. Here we will give the file name, and the extension for all logo files is .lgo. So for all files the extension will be .lgo. So next is save. When you click on this, that file will be saved with that name. So that also I will show you. First remember, we have to give the file name and we have to save. So the extension for logo files is .lgo. File name .lgo. Okay. So next one. Now we will see what are the different shapes we can draw. What are the commands we have in the logo. So here what I said, here in this commander window we can draw different shapes. So in this lesson we have only 4 commands. We have to learn only 4 commands in this lesson. So the first command is forward. Forward or FD we can give. So with that command we have to mention the units. Numbers also we have to mention. So FD space 50. Enter. So your turtle will be moved in the forward direction with 50 units. Okay. Next we will give RT, right side, space and 90 degrees. So whenever you give RT, your turtle will be rotated to the clockwise direction, to the right side by 90 degrees. How much number, how many units you mention, that much degrees of angle your turtle will be rotated into right side, into the clockwise direction. So next one is LT. So now we will write LT 90. So what happens, your turtle will be rotated into left side. Left side the turtle will be rotated by 90 degrees. Left side means anti-clockwise direction. So one more command we have here. RT, LT, FD, BK. BK 80 will give. So backward. Backward, there is no backward command, back command. So BK is back command. So for backward or back we use BK with the units. So with that units it will draw the line in backward direction. See. So in this back direction the line will be drawn by the turtle. So children, these are the 4 commands which we will learn in this MSW logo in this 3rd class. Okay, now we will draw one shape using these commands. Square we can draw now. Square 4 sides are equal. That square we can draw, and rectangle we can draw using these 4 commands. Now we will reset. See what happened? Whatever you draw in the main screen, that will be cleared and your turtle is in home position, in the starting position. Now we will use those commands and we will draw the square. So first one, in forward direction we will draw one line here. FD 100, with 100 units we will draw one line. Okay, space I have given, no? Space we have to give. Space 100. Enter. See, 100 with 100 units forward line is drawn. Next, which side we have to move? Right side. RT 90. By 90 degrees it is moved. Again one more line we have to draw. FD 100. Why again I am giving 100 means 4 sides are equal for the square. If you want to draw rectangle, you can give another unit. The next one, again downwards. Okay. So right side, RT 90. Enter. So downward it is rotated now. Now we will draw line again. FD 100. Enter. 100. Again it has to rotate it to right side. RT 90 will give. See, right side it is rotated. Again we will draw one more line. FD 100. Enter. See, our square is completed. We have drawn square. Now we will save that with some name. Save. we will give some square. Square name we will give. UARE, square.lgo. So what is the extension for logo files? .lgo, isn't it? LGO, save. Already exists. So, no, we will give another name for this. SQA. Because I have explained procedures, that time I have saved with that square name and procedure. That's why it is giving the message. SQU I gave. So it is saved with that SQU name. Okay. So like that we can draw different shapes using these FDRT commands. Okay. And we can save it with the name. Okay. That extension will be .lgo for logo files. This also we can drag below. This also we can move. These windows also we can move. This is the main screen. This is the commander window. This one is input box where we will give the commands. After giving we can press enter or you can use the execute button also. Okay. And on the main screen this is the title bar. Here you have minimize, maximize, close buttons. And these are the scroll bars. You can move up and down for the main screen. And here for this recall list box. Whenever you execute one command that is displayed here in the recall list box, that also you can move up and down using this scroll bar. Okay, for this also you have minimize, maximize, close buttons. So these are two different windows and these are connected. These two will be displayed at a time. Okay. See like this. Here you will give the commands. Here the output is displayed. Okay. So in the file we have this new load, save as, edit, erase, exit. So load, edit, erase, all this we will use for the procedures. Okay, EDAL also whenever we use that time we use this EDAL button. Okay, just in this lesson you have to learn only 4 commands. What are those? FD, RT, next LT, next one BK. These 4 commands only you have to learn in this lesson. Using those commands only we will draw different shapes. Square shape we have drawn. Okay, now we will see how to draw the rectangle. Okay, rectangle, for that also we use these 4 commands. We use only these 4 commands. So what are those commands? First we have to write FD and whatever the units you want that you can give. Now I will draw with 60. FD 60. Enter. Okay, I have to click this. Cursor has to be displayed there. Then only you can type FD 60. Enter. Say 60 units. Line is drawn. And which side we have to move? Right side. Right side by 90 degrees. It should be compulsory 90 degrees. After that we will give one more FD. So big line we will give. Why? Because for rectangle 2 sides are equal. Isn't it? One side 2 sides are equal and another side 2 sides are equal. That's why. RT 90. Enter. Right side it is displayed. So what is the measurement we have given here? FD 60. 60. Enter. 60 degrees. Again we will rotate it by 90 degrees. Right side. This side. This side it is rotated. Again we will give FD 140. FD after that space after units you have to mention. See, this is the rectangle we have drawn. So like that we can draw squares, rectangles and triangles using these commands. Okay. So like that we can draw different shapes using MSW logo. Okay, again we will save it. File save. So what is the name we will give? Same we have given SQA. Why? Because in that same screen we have drawn this. Okay. Okay children. Hope you all understood. Try to practice the commands. Only 4 commands you have. FD, RT, LT, BK. So backward. Okay. There is no backward command. Only back command. For that also we use BK. Okay. Hope you all understood.